I found you a rabbit hutch.
Me a hutch or him a hutch?
I don't know, really. I think...
You both should hutch. Oh, come on. That was a good dad joke.
I didn't find a rabbit hutch.
I'm
I don't even feel well. I'm so ill. But I'm well enough to go get surprises.
Which means you roll down the
Because Greg found a rabbit hutch for $75 for our free bunnies. So we want to make sure we spend as little money as possible. So hopefully it looks nice. If not, we can dress it up when I feel better.
Or at least they have horses and you get to see the horses.
Yes, that would be nice too. Can horses catch human viruses?
They could. The lady at Essie's
Well, she said it was like a horse COVID, I thought.
Yeah, but the horse stuff can get on the humans and then give it to another person.
I see. Anyways, we'll see how this goes, and hopefully it's worth the drive. So I'm super excited today because, as you can see, we got a new hutch. I didn't get a lot of footage of my husband setting up the hutch because it was crazy. It was really heavy and it was only the two of us, but we were able to figure it out. So I'm not done with this area yet, but I think it's going to be a very delightful place to be in the spring, to hang out, watch the bunnies, hang out with the chickens. And I'm just really excited to have kids over and just like playing with the animals. And I just have like a lot of hopes and like aspirations for this little space. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a quick tour and quit rambling. But yeah, here we go. Say hello to the chickens. Wow, look at how big this one is. Oh my god. I already collected eggs today, so I think we had some late layers, but as you can see, the size difference of these two eggs are crazy. I'm assuming this is a double yolk. Oh my god, did you see that? What is that all about? Oh, I know what they're getting excited about. So the chickens like really like eggs. As you can see, they like go crazy for it. So sometimes if an egg is just like really dirty and I don't want to bring it in the house, I will, let me see if I can show you. I will go ahead and give it to the chickens. So watch, ready? Oh no, it didn't break. Usually it breaks if I drop it in there. So now I gotta go inside and break it. Hey, babes. You guys want some? Okay, ready? Did it break? No, it didn't. Ow, you bit me, you little brat. Ready? There we go. They just love eating it. I think it's the cutest thing ever. This is what backyard homesteading looks like for someone with ADHD. I was out here to hang out with the rabbits, and then I was distracted by the chickens. I don't even have on my outside shoes. Who's chatting over there? Has anyone even tried out the new swing? So we did a swing a couple days ago. I'll probably make a video about it. Super excited about it. I've seen the chickens attempt to get on it once, but I haven't seen them hanging out on it, and I can't wait till it's warmer outside because maybe they'll lounge a little more, and it'll be really exciting to see them take advantage of it. But I also think it's just been a little windy outside, so maybe it's been harder for them to swing on it. Where's Van Van? Come here, Savannah. Savannah! Where you at, girl? This is my Oh, baby. This is my husband's favorite chicken. She likes to be picked up. Here, you want to try the swing? It's nice, right? Yeah, you did it, Manny. You did it. I want to show Dad, but I don't know if I got that. But anyways, it's been really cold. I probably shouldn't have left this open while I was in there. I've seen times before where the chickens will run out and then I'm chasing them around the yard like a psychopath. And that's never fun. And now they think I'm going to give them more eggs, which is why they're hanging out here. But, all right. All right, so this is my cute little DIY area, and this is the cute hutch my husband found on Marketplace. I was pretty excited that we were able to get this because these easily go for $300 or $400. As you can see, it's quite huge. It has 3 doors, which is nice. Just in case we are to get male and female bunnies, they can be separated with wood because, you know, it's never good to try and separate bunnies with hardware cloth. You just never know what's actually going to take place when you're away. All right, so we've got the inside. If we continue to only have male or female rabbits, we'll go ahead and remove this wall. But for now, because we don't know, we're keeping it separate. This is where the magic is happening. This is the manure that we're collecting that will be going directly into the garden, aka microflower farm for Love Good Blooms. So all of our blooms this year will be grown with our Hobbit Hutch poop. So they've got water, which has been interesting over the last couple days because it's been so cold. And then they have these little cubbies in here and then some snacks. And they have another little snack I bought them too. So cute. So overall, I would say this was a steal. Definitely pay attention to Marketplace on Facebook for deals, especially when it comes to homesteading. Personally, I hate waiting for items to be built, as you could see in the last video. But this was already made. It wasn't made to order. So we were able to pick it up, hang out on the guy's farm and bring it back home, get it set up, and then convert our DIY area into this new area. He also gave us a pen, which was so delightful. So now I really feel like I can spend time and let the rabbits roam until we get a more permanent fixture set up. So this is your reminder to slow down. You don't have to earn rest. You don't have to explain your softness. You don't have to justify sitting in your backyard, playing with your dogs, hanging out with your cats, talking to your chickens, or holding your rabbits. Sometimes healing looks like just sitting on the ground, grounding yourself, listening to your breath, praying to God, and letting simple, small living things in nature bring you back to yourself. There's nothing that you need to fix right now. There's nowhere that you need to rush. Just warmth, gentle moments, and quiet companionship. Thanks for creating with us here at Love Good Blooms, whether you're building, planting, or just streaming. I hope this gave you a little inspiration to make your space feel more like home. If you want to keep hanging out with us, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss what's coming next. I'll see you soon.